What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ryan coming at y'all, or Rye Bread. I'm saying break bread, but it's your boy Ryan coming at y'all with a back testing video. Basically just gonna be back testing MYM, Dow Jones. Basically my setup is looking for basically just longs or shorts off of like key levels of the previous day and the overnight session. So usually if I see uh, usually if I see the overnight session uh, low get ran, I'm looking to see push higher towards like the overnight high or at least like previous day's high, but or even like what I'm saying previous days lows gets taken out. I'm looking that's like it's just more confirmation to take buys off that level to look towards, and especially if like I also follow volume in the trend. Volume and trend is basically the same thing. So like if I see 930 had a very large bearish spike in volume, I'm gonna look for like a 1030 retrace or a 10 o'clock retracement to take that short. You know what I'm saying? So I'll wait for the longs to play out for the retracement. Then I'm taking the short at key uh, times. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is my stats so far. As you see, yeah, and I've only back tested 3 months so far. Yeah, 3 months, and I break even at 50 points. Um, yeah, automatic 50 points, and I scale out. I scale out. I should scale out. Well, I started off scaling out two at 50 points, but I figure I would probably like to just scale out one just to lock in some profits and keep the majority of the profit. Keep another contract for that full TP. Uh, but I guess it's just discretionary because sometimes I don't know. But I'm probably just gonna stick to taking off two because it seems to be working. Usually, like if the trade goes break even, I get like a cool $50-$60 out of it. But if I only take one off, I only get 25. But it's still cool anyway. You know what I mean? A break even is a win at the end of the day. Being able to manage the position and close it, not close it, but have it, have that peace of mind to know that okay, if the trade goes against my side, I'm still gonna be able to walk away with a little something, and I'm not gonna lose anything from my principle. You know what I mean? So yeah. What day is it? It is. So we're gonna be starting off on Monday. Probably gonna backtest the week, and then I'm gonna make another video outside of trading. Yeah. So let's get into it, y'all. And from here, I'm probably gonna end up fast forwarding a little bit because I'm not like the quickest with marking up my charts, and I do like to do a clean markup of my charts. I'm not gonna be typing any text. I figured I would do that, but nah. I'll probably this is this is good enough as a journal, so I'm gonna just not even. Yeah, let me just shut up. All right, guys. So it's 10 o'clock. Skip to the next day. And shout out TradeZella. I was skeptical at first, but I definitely 100% recommend it. You know what I'm saying? If you're a new trader, if you're a trader looking to back test and find some edge in the market, I think this is the by far the best back testing platform. It has micros, it has minis, a lot of historical data. I think you can go down to the 1 minute, although I don't use the 1 minute, so I don't really need to go down there. But that's just great. You know what I mean? A lot of back testing sites. They're very limited. Pardon me, y'all. I like FX Replay. I know when I tried FX Replay, they only had the minis, and I really like that they have the micros because it gives me like I guess actual gains I would realistically see because I only trade micros at the moment. Eventually, I'll trade minis, but I gotta get some funding first, and we gonna get funded, y'all. Trust and believe, we gonna get funded, bro. We gonna make it. Yo, shout out Jadakiss, son. Mwah. I kiss you. Yo, lock in, Ryan. Lock in, bro. So what's this? Okay, we still here on Friday. Did I not click that? I did click it. All right, so I'm gonna go to a 30-minute right here to see my levels. I usually look down here just so I can see when the day was. So loop, loop, loop. So I'm gonna put, my gosh, previous days low. Where's previous day? And previous day low. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Previous. Oh, I'm bugging y'all. I'm on Friday. Tweaking. Mm-mm. Should get some tunes going, right? Yeah, probably should. But nah, we just gonna relax. We just gonna relax. We just gonna relax. We just gonna relax. Overnight high. So let's see, what is my bias? Let's look on the daily. On the daily. Sheesh. On the daily. It's a pretty wicked bearish candle we got there, boy. Alright, so let's see. I might be short-term shorts, looking for price to rebalance. Let's see. Where's my balance area? That's a day. Yeah, that's a 2-day balance area. Let's see this shit. All right. So honestly, guys, right here, like if we can retrace to the top of this balance area, I think that might be either a good place for longs. Just because I like just how I've seen price react off of balance areas, and this is a 2-day balance area. So yeah, so let's see. Let's go back down to the hourly. See what the hourly is talking about. Yeah, it's too much going on, y'all. But yeah, this is this balance area. I want to see how that reacts to that. All right, guys. So let's go down. Time is it? 7. Time is it? 9:10. So it looks like 7:45. We ran the London lows. It looks like we're attempting to push higher. We made this new swing high, um, and it looks like we're close. We're looking to close back above the previous day's low. So I want to see how it reacts to this previous day's low and this previous day's close, and then depending on that, I'll figure out if I want to take shorts from this overnight high. Once we take out the overnight high, yeah. And also I want to see what the volume's looking like because volume is a key part of my strategy. I do like to see I do like to go in the direction of the largest volume node. But this is pre 9:30, so let's see what 9:30 is hitting for. I try not to take trades before and like directly at 9:30, just because it's too unpredictable for my liking. That's 9:25. All right, so it looks like we have some good bearishness, but I didn't. I don't really. I don't know. So we did have that previous day's close short that I was thinking about. Let's see what that yielded. So I'd have got a break even. I'd have been at break even right now had I taken that. Um, yeah, so that would have been the ideal play, but it was pre 9:30, so I didn't really like it. Even this one, I probably could have took that shorts at the previous day's low after seeing uh, this rejection of the previous day's close. Although, yeah, yeah, and we had bearishness. Yeah, bearishness this whole Sunday session coming into Monday. So yeah, so the shorts played out nicely. I didn't get to take it, as you guys seen. I did say I would have liked the shorts from the previous day's close. Just wasn't able to get in. I wasn't, uh, yeah, paying attention. Not paying attention, but you know what I mean. I didn't get to enter, and I could have entered from this previous day's low as well after seeing uh, three three decent rejections off of the previous day's close. Yeah, it's okay. Um, so let's see what's going on. What time is it right now? It's 9:45. Let's see what's happening for 10 o'clock. So we ran the overnight slow. So let's see. This might be good for shorts, but like I said, I like to go with the volume. So and this is some bearish volume. And let's see what we're doing on the daily just to see what we got going on. Let me see first of all how much points. Okay, so I don't really like that risk to reward because I know we have this balance area right here, and I really don't want to take the short and see it reject right off the top of balance. So I'm just gonna wait for it to play out. I'm gonna see what happens. Yeah, and if we see a rejection of this overnight low early in the morning session, I'm definitely interested in longs later in the session. By later, I mean like for the 10 o'clock, the 11 o'clock time frame. Um, yeah, because we had a lot of strong bullishness the last couple of days. It's just this bearish engulfing candle that's kind of scary. But like I said, if we can reject off the top of this balance area, then we're looking good for longs. So yeah. Mm, mm. Let me go back to the 5 minute bugging out. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I like how that closed pretty strong uh, below it. We have increasing bearish volume. Mm, what is it? It's 950. Let me see, get my tool out to see what the short would look like. Like I said, I don't know about this short though, because yeah, the top of balance is right there. I mean, it would be a break even, but let's just leave it here. See, we already ran the overnight low, and I know I said earlier that I like to see overnight lows get ran to then go higher, but with the way the volume's looking to the downside. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna take this. What time is it? 10:30. I could take this. So I like how this looks. Well, do I like how it looks? I should wait for it to break this low and then come back, retrace, and then take it from the overnight low. But that's that fear of missing out. I like how it's rejecting off of this 39,784 level around that area. So like that 39,780 area. Yeah, I might take the shorts from here, see what it do. Mm-mm-mm-mm. But then again, you only live once. No, I shouldn't say that. I don't know. I'm indecisive, yeah. I think I'm gonna get cooked on this, but it's okay. My goodness gracious, my first instinct was shorts, so I'm just gonna take the shorts, y'all, from this area right here. See what it do. Like I said, I don't know about this balance area being right, the top of this balance area being right here, but it is what it is. Let's see what it do. Place that order. Or what? Did I place the order or not? What time is it? 10:30. Yeah. See. So it's definitely having like it's feeling out this balance area right here, like I said, but it's looking like it might want to play out. So I never got that break even. Let's see. And yeah, definitely would not like to be in a trade this late. I'd be working, and this is nasty price action. So let's see. Do I finally get break even? Nope. Yeah, this is nasty price action, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. To the fucking T. Look at it. See? So I think just because, like I said, this balance area right here, I am. I would have. I was 1 point away from being at 50. Is at 49 points right here. So I wasn't able to break even and scale out. But since I know that this balance area is right here, I'm going to move my stop loss down. Uh, and I am gonna scale one out just because. Damn, why did I do that? I'm gonna scale one out because I knew there's a high probability that we could have. Oh no, I didn't mean to sell. That's a buy. What, bro? That's mad weird. That's very weird. But okay, so I took one off, and we're gonna see what happens here. I moved my stop to break even. We almost had the full 50 points for the break even, but we were just shy of it, so I wasn't able to grab that. But I am being cautious, so I moved my stop to break even because of this balance area right here, this 2-day balance area that I expect a rejection or some kind of reaction, and we already got a reaction, a pretty strong bullish hammer once we tap that at 110. So yeah, let's see what goes on. I would have got I got that break even. Yeah, this is look like an all day trade, y'all. This is disgusting. There's no volume today, man. See, I have to stay away from Mondays. Mondays are dirt water. Oh, oh, oh. Go ahead. Damn. So, as you see, the idea was correct. We did have that reaction off this balance area. Uh, Probably should have exited the trade when I saw this right here, this pretty decent break of this. Although I don't really use trend lines, this is a clear trend line. This is a, I mean, but the same could be said for here, I suppose. But this is a strong break. I like how the body of this fully engulfs this wick and some, and then we were able to close above. I'm sorry, we were able to like, what am I saying? I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah. So that sucked. That was a break even. Would I got my full break even had I not been a pussy? And yes, I'd have got a full break even anyway. Uh, so yeah, I'm gonna count that as a win. I like how I was able to read that. Pretty good, good shit, Ryan. I probably should have took the longs from here, but I wasn't looking for longs at this area. Uh, the best shorts, the best play would have been the shorts at the previous day's low after a rejection of the previous day's close. Now, I did not get that, but it's okay. I did, however, see that from the jump. So I'm going to count that as a win. So we're going to move on. Well, I want to see what happens for the rest of the day. So let's just see. Damn. Damn. They going to do me like that? You see? They going to do me like that? Took the kid out to go back down, bro. Let me see. Let me. Alright, better. Day's about to end. Yeah, so you see this balance area right here? I knew this balance area was gonna be trouble. You know what I'm saying? I knew it was gonna be trouble. So I got up out of it. Not got up out of it, but I positioned myself to the point where I could care less if not care less, because obviously I want that money on. But I just allowed price to run back up to my entry and stop me out because I didn't care because I wasn't losing no money. You know what I mean? So you just got to be smart about it. You just got to be strategic about, you know what I'm saying, what you're doing and how you're doing it. You know what I'm saying? Word. But I'm really curious as to if I wouldn't have got it. Yeah, so today's lack of volume, I wasn't able to get a trade from. I believe I took the trade like around that 9:30 time frame. Yeah, this is where I took the trade the whole day. So I would the whole day. If I took my other trade is a 25-point stop loss and a 50-point target, but that's mainly for overnight session. Even though I don't trade the overnight session, I just made a little like kind of playbook for the overnight session, and that's really it. Because a low volume, we're more likely to get that. You're more likely to get that 50 points as opposed to 100 points in the overnight session. And here, you know what I'm saying, we would have cleanly got that 50 clean, and I would have just risked this like double. You know what I mean? So it's my usual trade size. But yeah, that would have been a decent little play. But it's okay. Even right here, man, for the double top, for the double top, you know, and it's at 2 o'clock, or it shades me for 2 o'clock. But I don't trade that late, so can't be mad at it. We're gonna go on to the next day. Let's get rid of this shit. Pardon my French, y'all. Yeah, I hope y'all having a wonderful day. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all doing what y'all gotta do to get that money, to provide for your family, provide for yourself. And I'm not gonna lie, just a little rant right now. I'm self-centering. Like I know that sounds narcissistic, but like I gotta self-center. Like too often am I thinking about other people, how other people perceive me, like how I affect other. You know, you got to think about how you affect other people, but you can't make that rule your life. You know what I mean? You can't allow yourself to not be authentically you because you're afraid of another person's opinion. And that's really me. Like I be I be too caught up in what people think. I'm an overthinker. Look at this shit. Look at the noggin. I'm an overthinker. You know what I mean? Like Plato. But yeah. So I'm like well, I made the video early, but y'all didn't see the video. I'm being more unapologetic, and just being more comfortable with myself and learning. You know what I'm saying? Just to do what I gotta do and keep my head down and stay out the way and just live for me. You know what I mean? Uh, produce work for me, but also understand that like I wanna I want my work to be relatable and I want it to mean something for people and I want people to relate to it and feel a sense of I guess community or what should I say camaraderie. Yeah, sense of camaraderie when it comes to my work, the projects, the clothing, even trading. Like I want a sense of camaraderie around me. I don't have very many friends in real life, and I don't really care to. You know what I mean? But with the internet, I don't mind. Well, not that I don't mind. I'm working on not minding putting my face out there and putting my experiences out there in the efforts of, hopefully motivating or helping somebody to overcome something similar that they're going through. And yeah, but that's a little rant. Let me relax. Back to the back test. Yo, I got no put that down. Put this down and relax. So let's go. So we on today's this ain't Tuesday? Man. Alright y'all, so this is Tuesday. Yeah. 28 minutes. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, we ain't doing a week. I'm doing one more day and then I gotta go do this other video. So yeah, I'm just glad I was able to back test. And that was a thorough back test for the prior day. You know what I mean? So we content with that. We content with that. As long as you do something every day, you know what I mean? As long as you gotta concentrate your energy where you wanna be. You know what I mean? You can't just expect to show up where you wanna be. You gotta focus that energy, focus that time to where you're trying to be. And where I'm trying to be is on these charts, making money. You know what I'm saying? And I also want to be in the lab, cutting up. You know what I'm saying? Sewing, making product. I want to be on Illustrator, making designs. You know what I'm saying? Calm shit. You know what I'm saying? Shit that you could wear on an everyday basis, but also, you know what I'm saying, make you feel like you're on top of the world and you getting your shit together and you working towards being a better you, because that's really what it is. Like that's all life is. You know what I'm saying? Daily improvement. Because if you're not improving daily, are you really living? Like you're living, but you're not living your best life. And that whole best life shit, like, that's a fact. Like your best life is your desired reality. Like, you know what I'm saying? You got to be able to desire what you want before you can obtain it. You can't, like, how can I say this? I'm sure Jeff Bezos didn't not think he wasn't gonna have $1 billion. He knew he was gonna have $1 billion company. There's no way he didn't know that. You know what I mean? Or there's no way that he didn't believe that. So you have to believe that you're gonna be able to get where you want to go in life. And I know that me being here, me working, me making this video, I already said this, but me just making these steps, taking these steps, is gonna allow me to be where I want to be in life. You know what I'm saying? Word. So let's go on to the video because I'm chatting right now, and we at this balance area. We rejected. Like I said, I'm telling y'all, shout out Jared King Trading. If y'all don't know Jared, go check him out. I'll probably leave a link in the description if y'all want to go learn from him. But he's a great teacher. This is his like principles that I used right here. All this right here is his principles, and yeah, so I like the balanced area theories, and they seem to work very well. So shout out Jared. Get your money, King. But what was I doing? So this is overnight low, right? No, that's previous day's low. This is overnight low. Yeah, previous day's low right here. Man, we should have took that short from the previous day's close, man. You seen that shit? Y'all seen me see that shit, bro. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let's see. Where did we close? Where did we close? We closed right there. Yo, shout out Trade Zella, son. Shit expensive, but shout out Trade Zella, son. Man, I need a sponsor me, son. Or Word. I need my glasses, boy. Pardon me for squinting like some kind of old man, but you know, got this light shining in my face. I can't see, y'all. Can't see. Lord. But so that's what's that pressed up against each other, looking all snuggly. Previous days closed overnight low. Watch the yo. Watch son came pushed above, had the retracement, then push above the yo. Beautiful trade. Had I, you know what I'm saying, traded overnight, but I don't trade it overnight, or at least not right now. There is a lot of potential in the overnight. Don't sleep on the overnight session, y'all. There's potential if you. It's just slower, you know what I mean? But it really is potential. I've seen it. Oh, yeah. All right, guys. I'm getting off topic. Overnight high right here. Fake when I sparked the blizzy, but nah, we gonna get through this markup real quick. Previous days open. Yeah, Monday was dirt water, bro. Look at this. It had to be a holiday. I don't know, bro. That was crazy, bro. Yo, if I stayed in that trade a whole day, I'd have been so mad just to get stopped break even and for it to go lower. Oh man, because I have no problem with it closing me out at the end of the day in profit. You know what I mean? If it doesn't break me out even, I would have just let it sit ideally, but it took me out, so that was unfortunate. Oh God, what am I doing? Previous days open right here. Rejection of the previous day's open. So let's see. Ideally, I want to see this overnight high get ran. Then I want to take shorts. Let's see what the shorts looking like for a risk to reward standpoint. Mm, yeah. Well, yeah, I like the shorts again, y'all. But we're gonna see what the volume hitting for and what 9:30 is hitting for. So it's 7 o'clock right now. This is 30 minute. Let's get off the 30 minute before I get. That's another thing with trades. I be forgetting that I be on like the 30 minute or the hour, so I don't get my trades because I'm on the wrong time frame. So yeah. So I want to see this overnight high get ran. I want to see it close. I want to see it get ran, rejected, a nice close underneath this overnight high, retrace, and then I want to see it take it lower. And I'll ideally either get the trade from this overnight high on a retracement or at this previous day's open, and to target back to this balance, back to this balance area slash previous day's low. That's not previous day's low. Why is that like that? That's close. Oh, okay. I was like, why is there L there? All right, guys, let's see what's going on. Some bullish. Time is it? Damn. Yo, I need some music out of my life, man. Well, looks like we might not get that trade idea. It's all good. Bullshit. So we took out. I do, based on what I see right here, I do like the longs now. Just because, I've noticed usually before 9:30, if we're pushing down, it's usually pushing down to go higher. If we're pushing up, it's usually pushing up to go lower. So, in seeing this right here, this is 920. See the rejections. Let's see what we're looking like for 9:30. Damn. Ooh, damn, buddy. I ain't gonna lie, I do like the longs though. Let's see. Look at the volume. That's 25 though. So let's see. Oop. Yeah. Mmm. Looks like longs might get cooked. Let's see. This balance area. I'm gonna. Nah, I ain't doing it. Yeah, I ain't doing it. So it's still looking like shorts. The way this volume looking. Let's see what the 30 minutes looking like. Yeah. So it's looking like shorts, y'all. Let's see what it do with this what's this previous day's close? Previous day's close overnight low. We already took out the overnight low, and it looks like we're coming back. Let's see if we could double bottom off of here. I don't know if we'll be able to. Nah, it's not a double bottom. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm gonna take these longs from here. That's against my rules, though. Let's see. I like this hammer. And we took out the overnight low, so I'm gonna trust this here and take this, see what it do. I need some music, y'all. Shit, dry. Let's see, yeah, I don't mind taking this. If we run the previous day's low, we run the previous day's low. Um, yeah, because we're still in an uptrend, so I'm gonna take this off. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Why is it? Why is this still showing that? Well, that's weird. I don't know why it's doing that. All right, so we're gonna take these longs from here. I like this rejection, and I like the retracement to this uh this overnight low. Yeah, with the run at overnight low, nice bullish volume. Then 930 was pretty bearish. We're still underneath. I think it's the EMA. Yeah. I don't even know why I have this on here. This has just been on here, so I gotta get that out of here. It didn't tap me in. I didn't press buy. That's some shit. Let me go back to here so I can get ready to scale out if I need. Oh, 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 oh. Am I gonna get to scale out? Am I gonna get to scale out? Yep. So we're gonna scale out. We're gonna scale out too. We're just gonna keep it true to what we've been doing. So we're gonna scale out to here. We're gonna come back here. Boom. Gonna put this on. Move stop to break even. Cause it's a bad man. I'm saying we don't take loss. Never take. You're gonna take some losses, but though you're gonna take some losses. But if we can mitigate those losses and mitigate those moves against us, we're good to go. This is a long video. This is a 40-minute backtest video for only 2 days, y'all. But I'm talking to y'all, you know what I'm saying? It's more than trading. You know what I'm saying? We sharing shit, you know what I'm saying? It's a community. It's love. You know what I'm saying? Word. Well, let's see if we get this win. Let's see if we get this win. Oh yeah. Clap it up. So let's see. Got the win. And yeah, so you guys saw what I liked it. You know what I'm saying? We had those rejections off of the. Well, I saw that we ran the overnight low, and I liked it. I liked that the risk was within the previous day's low. So if we did run the previous day's low, we still had some room to possibly run higher. So yeah, and we were targeting the overnight high. So I think that was a really good setup. I hope I'll be able to catch. I know I'll be able to catch setups like that in real time, forward testing the market, because I have already, but I just need more confidence to be able. Because like, what I'm saying, confidence is king. In the market and in real life, I'm trying to get my confidence right. You know what I'm saying? Because yeah, I'm a young king. You know what I'm saying? You a young king too, and you a young queen. All my queens out there trading and what I'm saying, getting that money. Shout out to you, son. But yeah, so that's gonna be the end of this video, y'all. We had one break even and one win, and we're at $2,000 right now. So yeah, uh, thanks for sticking around. If y'all made it this far, you know what I'm saying. I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful, blessed day, and I hope y'all get that money, and I hope y'all family Gucci. And yeah, man, stay beautiful, stay positive. Word. All right, y'all. Safety.